Hello students, welcome to Pathak's Computer Academy online classes. In the previous video, we learned about software and its types. Today we will see the basics of computer networking. The contents are Introduction to Networking, Types of Computer Networks, Components of Computer Networks, Topologies and Cloud Computers. Today we will see the introduction to networking. So let's start. So what is computer network? Computer network is a collection of nodes which are connected to each other to share information and resources. So, what are the nodes? Nodes can be computer, printer, or any other device capable of sending or receiving the data. Now, how these nodes are linked? They are linked using various types of links, such as cables or wireless technology. Thus, the links connecting the nodes are known as communication channel. So, now the definition of computer network can be: a computer network is a system in which multiple computers are connected to each other to share information and resources. Okay, very clear to you? Now, why we make these type of networking? These type of networking are used to carry out a large number of tasks, like communicating using email, videos, instant messaging, and other methods. I am communicating with you all through some sort of networking. Okay? Sharing devices such as printers, scanners, and photocopiers. You easily see in your labs where there are a lot of computers but only few printers are there. You just send the instruction to print my document. Then that printer will take your instructions and do accordingly. Sharing files and folders. You easily share your documents with your friends who are seated in another computer but within the same lab or network. Sharing software and operating system, and many more. So I think it is very clear why we are learning about computer networks. Next, the advantages of networking. Easily, sharing devices such as printers saves money. Software licenses are likely to be cheaper than buying several stand-alone licenses. Okay? You always ask for your friend, please give me some licensed version of this game or software. Okay? These are the advantages of networking. Files can easily be shared between users. You are in one part of the lab and another one are in another lab. but you can share your files or messages. Okay. Security is good. Users cannot see other users' files, unlike they are in a single stand-alone machine. Data is easily backed. Why is it so? Because of a central server. These are few advantages of networking. Next is disadvantages of networking. We always know that whenever there are some advantages, they have disadvantages too. Purchasing the network cabling and file servers can be expensive. For the shorter use, it is not so much of convenient. Managing a large network is complicated. That's why it requires training, as well as a network manager usually needs to be employed. They have the knowledge about the networking and cabling. Viruses can spread to other computers throughout a computer network. That's why you easily see that be cautious about to click on a link. Okay? There is a danger of hacking as well. So these are the disadvantages of networking. Key networking nodes. System can be classified into open and closed. As the name suggests, an open system is connected to the network and prepared for communication, while closed system is not connected to the network and so cannot be communicated with. Clear? IP address. You easily see. Please give me IP of your college, your school, so that my computer can access the internet. Okay? This is the logical address of your system on a computer network. We will discuss it in a later stage. MAC address. The MAC address, or you can say that physical address, uniquely identifies each host. You easily see that how a fraud person can identify. They identify with the help of MAC address, through which or through that system he do some illegal work. Okay? This is the basic idea to identify the fraudulent users. Port. A port is a channel through which data is sent and received. Okay? Nodes, I already discussed. ISP, Internet Service Providers. These are the companies who provide internet connection, like Jio, Airtel, etc. That's all for today. Today we learned introduction to networking, uses of computer networking, advantages and disadvantages of networking. I hope now you are very well aware about the basics of computer networking. In the next class, we will see types of computer networking in detail. Thank you so much.